Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to share this unboxing with you. As many of you know, I went to Walapalooza a couple of weeks ago and I got a chance to spend time with some amazing content creators and learn all about the business of crafting and all about new products that are coming out. And I got a chance to meet Patrick and voila, I was sent a Siser Romeo, and I'm trying to contain myself, but I cannot even stop smiling because I am just that excited. So we are going to unbox this. I'm not going to use it yet because I don't know how to use it. And so I will teach you everything I know about it as I learn how to use it. At the end of this video, if you find it helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, let's open this box and see how big this Siser Romeo is. Okay, so the box is already open because I did already post a reel to my IG, so you can go and check that out, but I have not looked at it yet because I wanted to save it for you right here on YouTube. But stay tuned until the end of the video because I am going to share some of my favorite pictures from my time at Walapalooza. I had such an amazing time. I felt like the days just flew by. The days felt like minutes, literally. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up and see what's in here. So I see this box. It says, welcome to the future of making. And there are three. Oh, here's the power supply box. This is the power cord. And these are accessories, and this is the user manual, I'm assuming. We'll put that to the side for now. What are the accessories? Siser. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so I'm assuming, oh, these are different cutting blades. I'm gonna be honest, I've only seen this in use while I was at Walapalooza, but I don't really know how to use any of the software. I have not downloaded anything. I have not, the only time I saw it while I was at Walapalooza. So here's the USB cord that connects it to your computer. I wonder if you can connect it via Bluetooth because that would be amazing. We don't need to look at this. It's just the power cord, power supply. I'm gonna put that back. I'm a little Wally right here. I don't know if you can see it. This is with my goodie bag, my swag bag. All right, so there's some packaging material. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll find out. Okay, so my son has already gone to bed and he was the one that helped me open this, but I am going to speed this part up and have my daughter help me while I take this out of the box. Now, if you've been with me for more than 2 seconds, you know the machine that I've always used in my tutorials. I haven't tried using any other cutter because I felt like what I was using was good enough. I actually felt like it was great, but I am shook and I don't get shook. I do the shaking. And I'm excited about this. Look how big this is. Okay, I don't even have it right side up, but look at this. Let me turn it around so you can really see it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. It is amazing. It's amazing. I am going to open it. Just use my little scissors. I'm telling you, when I was at Walapalooza, I was so excited because Patrick was showing me how fast and quickly it cut vinyl. he was showing me like a little bit about the software and all of the capabilities it has. And I was just amazed because it's just, your options are unlimited. It's like you can do pretty much everything right there in the software. All right, let's see. I'm so afraid that I'm gonna mess something up. I have decided we are going to do this video in 2 parts because I am going to be honest and say I'm scared. I'm scared to turn it on. I don't know anything about this machine, and I am going to get all the support I can from Patrick, who has agreed to help me. So what I can tell you is that this is the Siser Romeo. Of course, there is the Juliet. This one is the bigger of the 2 cutters. This one is a 24-inch cutter. Did you hear what I just said? 24 inches. Oh my goodness, that is exciting all by itself. This one comes with 3 blades. So there are 2 45-degree blades and a 60-degree blade. I think that's what I saw. And that comes with the user manual. It also comes with a cutting mat and some practice vinyl. So the next time that I come back and I do part 2 of this video, I will do a test cut. We'll get all the settings set up. We will get the software uploaded onto my computer so we can kind of look at what a first cut looks like. I am super excited. Now let me show you a few of my favorite pictures from my time in Fargo at Walapalooza, because I can just tell you I had such an amazing time and I learned everything I could learn in 48 hours. Found this unboxing helpful in any way, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications, because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.